Alright, so they've got a sucker over there, good. Oh, okay, I see him.
Three squads remaining.
Where the fuck is he? Oh, how did we traded at the very end?
Okay,
Jeez.
you got it. Alright, come here.
Yeah, I got him, but his dying shot took me out to.
I'm telling you that. Okay, over there.
He's down. Roger. Oh, fuck, yeah, that's a silo somewhere. You can't throw a grenade that far, dude. What the fuck is wrong with you? I hit him for like 60. Still a guy to your left, Dan.
He's right behind you. Nice.
You got him right through the trees right here. Just came right in here. Yes.
Michael, did you know that today is the actual day that America first...
Damn, 1,000.